I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Hey guys, welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. My name is Shelly. Today I'll be preparing a Sunday dinner, which is not a typical Jamaican Sunday dinner. This dinner, you will find it mostly in Italian restaurants and all the works. Stay tuned for the video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, and I know that you will love this video. Please remember to give your girl some likes on this. I'll be preparing an Italian / Jamaican style dinner from the regular Sunday dinner. Stay tuned. See you soon. Remember to hit that like button. These are all the seasonings that I will be using, or most if not all of the seasonings that I will be using on the salmon. Now this has skin on it and I prefer the one with the skin. However, I will remove the skin from this. Here I am washing with some lemon juice, and then I pat dry, and then I normally leave paper towel on them so it helps to soak the water out so it's not wet. Then of course I will season. I make sure that when I'm ready to season, I still pat dry to make sure all the excess water is out. Here I am adding all my seasonings at this point. I did not use any salt. Welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new, please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit your notification bell so you won't miss a video upload. Please give your girl a like on this video. So here my salmon is seasoned, and I am just showing you some of the ingredients. Missing is my purple onion that I will be using, my garlic, minced garlic that I will be using in my sauce. I lit my oven at 350 degrees and I am about ready to add my salmon in the oven to start the baking process. I added some lemon pieces to this and I added in the oven. This took approximately 30 minutes to bake. And here is the finished salmon. It looks a little dry, but don't mind. I will be squeezing some lemon zest or some lemon juice on this. I did not add any butter, any olive oil, because salmon has fat in it already, essential fats that we need. So I did not add any additional butter to it or oil. Here I'm about ready to prep my pasta, so I add my water. I did add a little hint of salt. While the water is there ready to boil, I'll be doing some asparagus and some onions and garlic. So I added a little olive oil and I washed and dried my asparagus and I tossed them in. I use a little Mrs. Dash garlic and herb and a regular Mrs. Dash seasoning. Your girl did not add any salt. I added a little butter, which doesn't have salt in it, but It's all good. Here I'm about ready to make my sauce, so I added my butter, and it is unsalted butter. I added some minced garlic. Then I'm adding in some chopped onion. I saute this. Then I added some pepper flakes because it's my business, and then I added my heavy cream. Then I added some cream cheese. Then I added a little Italian spice to this and a little paprika. Then I started to add in my Parmesan cheese. Then I allow this to boil until it thickens. I did not add any cornstarch in it. Then I started to add my cool pasta in the sauce. Then I garnished. Then I added my salmon to this, and then I will mix everything in. The garnish I added, or I'm adding now again, is some green parsley. Dinner is ready and being served right here. I do hope that you enjoy this video. It's not the regular Jamaican Sunday dinner choice. However, I enjoyed making this video, and I do hope that you also enjoyed watching this video and you too will experiment. Sometimes we need to get out of our comfort zone and experiment. And I am always experimenting new ideas, new thinking in this new era. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. Please remember to like the video. Normally, I don't try my videos online, but I will be showing you a little taste test of my food. I would normally put lemon zest on it. And I'll try and I'll tell you, it smells good, it look good. Send me your email and I'll email you some. This is better than Olive Garden, I tell you. My homemade Alfredo sauce. This is really, really good. Stay tuned for another video. It's late at night.